And within weeks, fresh new growth attracts eager herds of bison, the largest of America's land mammals. These beefcakes demand a lot of calories. But here in South Dakota, this old male has no time to dine. He's too focused on fighting for the chance to mate. He's lost almost 200 pounds trying, and still, she could be his last chance in this year's rut. So he'll stay by her side. But he has competition from a rival. If neither backs down, a brawl is inevitable. They are closely matched. But the old bull uses the terrain to his advantage. Victory. And with it, he does get the girl.